Hi friends, good morning. Hello, good morning. So, we just came here live to show some of the beautiful combos which we have added to our bin today. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful emerald and ruby combo. The choker is it's completely matte finish set. You can check the quality. Okay, the choker is 3950 with this earrings. Choker is 3950 with this earrings, and the long one is 4950 with this earrings. So as a combo also you can take choker alone, you can take long haram alone. So it's a beautiful long har. You have Lakshmi Devi dollar on the top, rubies, kasu, and complete emerald with flowers. Okay, so if you take as a combo, we will give two pair of earrings which you can wear for the choker and the long one also separately. Okay, this is the first set which we wanted to share. It's such a beautiful combo, and the second one which we wanted to share is, so this is the pearl set. This is the pearl set which we have. Okay, it's a beautiful pearl set which we have. This yesterday I have shown the pearls in the wine color. With this dollar we have matched it up. We have matched it up with this dollar. Okay, this has it's a Krishna dollar with the wine pearls. So the dollar is complete antique finish. You get the rubies all over. You can match it up with any dollars you have at home, or if you like you can take this also. As I said, this dollar also has earrings. This dollar also has earrings with it. Okay, we will be posting the pics once this is done, so you can just check our page for the pics. Okay, see this dollar, it has rubies, and it's a Krishna pendant which is available. Okay, now let me show you one more beautiful set. So this is the beautiful matte finish set. So is it visible? So this is the beautiful combo, matte combo, which we have set it up. So this first one is Kemp mango collection. It's a completely silver piece kind of, and this has beautiful earrings with it, this choker earrings. This second one is complete kasu with white and red stones and pearls. Okay, and this beautiful pendant. Hey Sandhya, and it has beautiful earrings, long earrings with it. So you can take it individually or as a combo also, because this we felt as a combo will make justice to the whole set. And this is Kasumala, matte finish Kasumala with rubies, emeralds, and Lakshmi Devi. Okay, individually also we will give, or you want it as a combo like this also we give. When we give like this with combo, you get two pairs of earrings. Okay, and please note down our WhatsApp number. I'm frequently telling, but still then I'm mentioning here in the comments. Anyone who wanted to WhatsApp us can WhatsApp to this number. Okay, and we have a beautiful wonky with this armlet, something different design. This is kind of hip belt design for armlet. The arm can fit into this because we have adjustable extension here. You have cute flowers here with designs. So this one piece is 950 because of the gems and the design work in it. You can take it as a combo like this. We do have so many different kinds of armlets compared to others because we don't have the normal ones. We have Lakshmi Devi with rubies, and this is a chain model. So similarly, we are engaged with so many new designs. It is not the kind of same old designs which you get in different pages or different places. So something different and new you want, you can check out our page always. We have the new trend coming in every day. Okay, now let us see one matte finish combo. A matte finish combo I will be showing you. Okay, so this is the matte finish combo. This is 1650. You get a choker with Lakshmi Devi and rubies. Okay, and you get beautiful earrings with it, and a long hair also. This is complete set is just for 1650. It is not in sale. Every time it is the same price. So anyone needed can grab this. We are taking the orders and we will ship the orders once the lockdown period is done. So this is one more beautiful combo set which we wanted to share. It's a matte finish, complete matte finish combo. Okay. So now let us see one more Kemp combo. So this is matte finish Kemp, which is 2950. It's pure Kemp with this beautiful jhumkis in it. Okay, and we have set up with the antique finish Lakshmi long hair. So this you would have seen in many places, but this combo is something different which you can always go with. A simple but elegant one. So anyone who needed this can always get in touch with us. Now I will show you one adai set. We also sell Panchaloha adai sets. So this is out of stock as of now. So I had only one piece and it is booked out. So if anyone needs can always reach out to me. We do take pre-bookings to this. It's a complete beautiful gold finish adai set with elephants and Lakshmi Devi with the leaves all over. Isn't this beautiful, girls? I just loved this combo. And however, this adai sets will not have earrings. So it has this Kemp earring for this combo and it just makes wow to this. What do you say? Okay, now let us see one more Kemp combo. So you don't need adai set. Adai set is 4950. So anyone interested can grab this. With this Kemp, you can just wear it like this, or you can wear something different. There's a beautiful Radha Krishna pendant with this. And when you take this combo, you get two pairs of earrings with this, which is already shown Kemp earrings, and one more jhumki you get. Such a beautiful antique finish jhumki. It has Krishna here and such a cute jhumki this is with peacock and Krishna. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. Hey Shruti, how you doing? So let me show you one more Kemp combination to this. We have so many beautiful Kemp sets. So please share our page with your friends also, so that they also can grab some beautiful collections. Okay, so we have this beautiful Kemp combination. You can take it like this also. So when you take a combo like this, you get earrings also with this. Only the Adai set doesn't have earrings, so it's a beautiful earring with this choker. This can be worn little long also. You can adjust the thread. The back side is like this. It's a push button. It's completely matte finish set. Okay. So you can even take this long one individually, or you can take the short one or the combo if it makes a real match to some of your dresses or something, sarees or something. You can just go with combo, or you can take individually also. Okay. Okay, Vanki is it? Yeah. This is the armlet. The Vanki design, the old traditional design which we have bought back again. It's a peacock and a small pearl. You can adjust it according to your hand. Here is the adjustment. So it fits from small hand to large hand also. And the second armlet which we have shown is this Bajubandi. It has Lakshmi with rubies, pearls all over, and it is chain model. Okay, so that's all are the sets for today which we wanted to show. If in case you like anything, or if in case you need anything, please WhatsApp us. We have shared the WhatsApp number also. Hi, this long one is 2150. It's matte finish with this beautiful antique finish dollar, and this Kemp set alone is 2150. As you know, Kemps are costly because of the work and the stones used in it. And if you see the earrings, it doesn't look like matte. It just looks like gold because the pressing and the fixings are totally different. Okay. Anytime you can WhatsApp us. Whenever we are online, we definitely will answer to your queries. Okay. That's all, friends. We just wanted to share these few new designs live with you because... Thanks, dear. Because many of you have question like what is the quality, how does they look outside, do they differ? Because many people have been telling us they received something else and they have seen something else. So with Spurti Jewels, it is not the case. Whatever we take, we show the pictures, and it is almost 10% variant because of the mobile resolution or the screen resolution. Otherwise it is the same. And it is matte finish. Whenever you have any queries, please WhatsApp us, or you can send messages. We are there to answer. Okay. You can even catch us on Instagram. We are there on Instagram. And good news is you can buy online. We have our own online store, and the link is already given. We will share it again. So you can purchase online. You need not wait for us. You want to buy it, just go, select the items, pay, share the address, and you can buy it. It's so simple now. Okay. Okay, friends, for today I'll take leave. If there are any new models which really needs your attention, I'll definitely come live again. Okay. Thank you for watching.